here. You can see. My name is Leilani Kanaauao Huggins, and I'm a Lei-Maker. I grew up actually here in Los Angeles. I'm a fourth generation Lei-Maker, and I was raised in Hawaii till I was 6. My mom and my Hawaiian side of the family just made sure I was immersed in the Hawaiian culture, and from a young age I was making lei, and like all cultures, flowers are symbolic of purity and celebration. You don't go anywhere without giving a lei, without giving someone a part of you. It's you're giving a part of yourself. Traditionally, Hawaiian leis are woven with love and aloha, and the method used is just as important as the flower that's used. The ideal clipping is just something that's beautiful, that's not bruised or damaged, and that's not dried out yet. There's a few dried out pieces here, probably from the wind and the cold that we've been having in LA.
It's like very relaxing too, just finding the flowers.
Flower therapy.
Flower therapy, I like it.
We sort of clip it closer to the branch so it promotes growth, and that we'll clean up these branches when we get back to the house.
So I picked this flower because I'm learning from Leilani that you want to cut from the stem and then we can do most of the work later, but I thought this just looked really pretty.
I think most people will think of that beautiful purple dendrobium orchid lei as Hawaiian, but those are made and usually come from Thailand. Right now there is a fungus that is ravaging the Big Island and Hawaii. It's called rapid ohia death, and it's basically the Metrosideros polymorpha plant. They're everywhere here in Los Angeles. In Hawaii, they're treasured. It is nice to have those because in Hawaii, they're not using them right now. Just real small lengths. We're gonna cut them down right here. You can see. Yeah. I'm gonna reach under you. This is gonna be the opala. So opala means trash.
I feel like when you're learning how to make leis, you are also learning a lot about the Hawaiian culture.
Yeah, yeah.
So my lei po'o. Did I say
Yes,
it right?
yes.
This process is very relaxing, educational, and just fun. It's very therapeutic. It feels very effortless, but knowing that I'm going to create something with love and give it with love is just a really great feeling.
Yeah.
Wow. The colors are so vivid.
Right, that electric purple, it's so pretty.
It's gonna look great on Instagram.
That's the whole reason we did this.
Instagram or it didn't happen.
Did you both learn from her?
Yes.
Yeah.
She's the master, lei master.
So we're gonna take a couple pieces of raffia. Some people use yarn. You use kind of whatever you can get. So we're gonna hili, and we're just gonna make a small slip knot towards the end. We're gonna wind our flowers all together to make a lei like this. Leis symbolize love. It's yourself. You're giving of yourself. You're giving of your time. You're giving for birthdays, for celebrations, for anniversaries, for coming and going. You give it to show love and respect and honor.
I learned how to I learned how to vili, and I'm wearing this beautiful
Leipo'o.
leipo'o.
Yes.
And I feel like a princess. Yay, and I'm learning